Calculating. And oh so electrifying. We had to come back home with our traditional Tiger Run On. Blue Nation, here's the 2023 version of the Sonic Boom of the South. The band will now engulf you with sound and precision with a signature fanfare entitled Blowing. Super hit, Can't Stop by After 7. The Sonic Boom just can't stop bringing that fun. State University. Hey fans, make some birthday noise for A.D. Ashley Robinson and Coach T.C. Taylor as we party y'all. As the band forms after 7 on the field, join me in welcoming the thrill of a billion eyes. Here are the Prancing Jason as they dance the heat of the Jason, bring in that heat. Still in the formation of the set. The band will make the seventh major hit. Ready for All right, Tiger fans, as we turn the dial back up, we want to see those pom poms in the air. It's the 50th anniversary of hip-hop, and that's not only about music, but also about culture. The Sonic Boom will do some iconic hip-hop dance moves. If you recognize them, get up and dance. Oh, do the running man boom. Roger Rabbit, Tom and Jerry, Fly Girls, Biz Marquee. Go ahead, boom. Now you know we can't pay tribute to hip-hop without the show.
Yeah, we know what that is.
Is the administrative assistant. On behalf of interim president Dr. Elaine Hayes Anthony, this has been the voice of the boom, Richard Myers. Thank you and good evening.